Deb, this is him just coming in the room. Never seen me. Nice little blue job on this guy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Puppy, puppy. Let's try the board. Well, he'll definitely follow your hand. Got really nice pushing. Really nice pushing with the rear too. It's like, yes, come on. All right, let's try the board. What do you think? Let's try it. Let's try this first. Get it. Get it. Put his whole face in my pocket. Good job. Get it. Puppy. Get it. Go. Get it. Leave that for a minute. All right, come here, little guy. Come here. Come on. Yes, nice job. Hurry. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Look at you. Yes, get it. Super. Come on. Left hand. Left hand. Whoa. Super duper. Come on. Hey. Puppy. Who's that kid, puppy? Puppy, puppy. Puppy. Yes, nice job. Hurry. Come on. Yes, nice. Come here. Hurry. Yes. Good. Come here, come here. Look. Come here. Do you want that? Do you want that? You want it? You want it? You want it? Come here, look. Look, look, look. Come here, look. You want it? Go. Puppy, come on. Hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry. Go. Puppy. Go. Good boy, get it. Come here, pup. Come here. Look. Do you want it? Do you want that food? Come on. Come here. Come here. Look. You better get it. You better get it. Get it, get it, get it. Go. Hurry, come here. Go. Good boy. Come on. Right here in my hand. Good dog. Yes, nice. That's probably good.
He actually ate like 2 hours ago too.
And he's been outside.
Yeah.
Good boy. Come here and see me. Oh, you're so sweet. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him. He's very sweet. That's a good dog. Hi. Hi. And Debbie, he's been out in the pen. Like, just out in the, you know, sun. And, I mean, you know, not, he's not cooking them, but out playing with his other two. Just doing his thing. He wasn't, like, sitting around bored. Come here, you. Come here, you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?